That was awesome, McLaren.
No, that was too awesome.
I'm too awesome.
No, that was a disaster.
But Nova, it was a raging success. The Spaceogram went into meltdown.
Pick after pick of McLaren and Johnny. Oh, no, look, there's loads of you here. See? There you are. It's just you're a bit blurry and a bit cropped out. So cute. Love the bro sis. Love heart emoji. McClarity. McClarity?
Spaceogram loves a good bro-sis story.
It loves the wrong brosis story. McLaren, fix it. Tell the universe they have their trend wrong.
That drumming, McLaren, it was quite intense.
Intense. Before I did drumming while in a tent. And it was also intense. What's in a tent? You have to be there.
The
Middle child is often left out or overlooked.
You're not fooling me, Digit. I know I'm your favorite, and I'm not going anywhere. World's best captain, but that was our mug. Oh, open an airlock. Who did that?
It wasn't me. It couldn't be Digit. And new captain would definitely own up to that.
And it wasn't me.
Oh, when did you get here?
I'm always present. While also never being here either.
So, that just leaves you, Captain.
Fine. I know when I'm not wanted. I'm off to Sustainable. And I shall leave with my dignity intact.
And then we can go to the main stage. Do you know it's made of old recycled bottles that they used to throw at the acts?
What are you doing?
Nova, we're working on our festival timetable, colour-coded.
In 19 shades of pink.
We're going to the festival. But we can't go to the festival because mud!
McLaren's got a big brother now. We can go together, so you don't have to come.
We assumed you wouldn't want to go. See, I didn't even include you in the timetable.
That's it. We're leaving immediately. Blast off right this second. I said right that second. Why didn't we leave that second? We should have left that second.
That'll be new captain. He's got his own piloting style.
He's even slower than the last one.
Oh, no, you could always press that button.
Mega boosters warming up. Takeoff. Ready to commence.
Fine.
In 10 minutes.
It takes us some time to get out of the mud.
Mud!
Nova? According to the readout, once the boosters reach full charge, we'll take off, but the shockwave will cause a mudslide. The Jefferson will splat the entire festival!
Everyone will be splattered and covered in a muddy mud bath.
Jonaky's out there. McLaren's out there. Captain's out there!
Good. I hope they enjoy their stupid, silly mud. I'll be in my suite savouring every...
Launch in 9 minutes and 24 seconds.
9 minutes and 24 seconds of it. Yo!
Hey, Spaceogram. I'm here with my awesome brand new little sis at Sustainable.
Music, organic candy floss, solar power rides, refillable water cups, and... What's that sound?
Look at McLaren's happy face. No idea it's about to be Splat City.
And how are you liking your first festival?
It's good. But, well, it's not exactly as I imagined.
How could this be any better?
I always thought I'd go to my first festival with Nova. She's not here. So it feels, I don't know, less fun?
Oh, I feel... What's that feeling?
Guilt. You're feeling guilt.
Yo!
Now you're feeling surprise. But the guilt will come back.
Huh? My mud pack must be wearing off. I'm ruining McLaren's first festival.
I know.
Launch in 5 minutes and 8 seconds.
And I'm about to ruin it even worse. Cancel takeoff! I don't want to spoil the festival! I don't want to modify McLaren! It'd be a fate worse than Splat!
Launch in 3 minutes, 9 seconds.
I don't know how to cancel takeoff. New captain will have to do it. Is new cap long?
What? Is new captain deflating?
Whoa, you really can get inflatable anything at festivals.
So my ship is being piloted by a whoopee cushion? What are we gonna do?
Buckle up. After all, it's not like you're gonna go out there and grab a hold of the Jefferson and hold on tight enough to stop it taking off. To do that, you need to be super strong. And I mean super strong.
Mud makes me super strong. More mud. Where can I get a lot of mud, like right now?
Oh, Nova! There's loads of mud ice.